Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options, then turn on USB debugging so the Mac can see your phone. Once done, plug a data-capable USB cable into the Macbook. Do not use a charge-only lead. Make sure Android File Transfer or OpenMTP is installed on the Mac. These apps let Finder-like access work reliably. When you connect, choose File Transfer or MTP on the phone. This initial handshake grants permissions and establishes the pathway for all file movement that follows. Now you confirm the transfer mode. Tap the Android notification and pick File Transfer. This exposes internal storage to the Mac app. If you prefer wireless, install a DB via Homebrew, then run a DB Devices and a DB TCP/IP 5555 to switch the phone to network mode. Pair with a DB Connect phone IP 5555. Open OpenMTP or Android File Transfer on the Mac to browse folders. Drag and drop to move items. Make sure large transfer is complete before disconnecting to avoid corruption. To finish, copy remaining files, then use the app's eject command or unmount the device before unplugging to prevent data loss. If you used a DB over Wi-Fi, stop with a DB USB or reboot the phone to return to normal. If things go wrong, first try another data cable and a simple reboot of both devices, then reauthorize USB debugging when prompted. If the Mac still cannot see the phone, reinstall Android File Transfer or rerun a DB pair. One of those steps usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.